Representative Lilly, please proceed.
Wait. 1 second. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and ladies and gentlemen. This bill put forth by the Treasurer Office, Mike Ferrex, that we are looking to make sure that we are recognizing the Illinois bicentennial in 2018, and we are producing commemorative medallions for our celebration.
Those in favor of the lady's resolution will vote yes, opposed no. The voting is open. Have all voted who wish? Have all voted who wish? Have all voted who wish? Mr. Clerk, please take the record on this question. There are 91 voting yes, none voting no, and the resolution is adopted.